We are traveling cross country by road, and I would be documenting in details. We would be traveling for 3 days and would be staying for 2 nights. First day we start off with Kolkata and we stayed at Bargarh. Day 2 starts from Bargarh and we would be staying in Nagpur. And on day 3 we would be starting from Nagpur and we will be reaching our destination, which is Mumbai. So this is a cross country drive by road, and from the eastern Ghats to the western Ghats. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog with me. This is just a few kilometers before we entered the city of Nagpur. So we suppose that there is some work going on, probably an extension to the expressway or something. Not really sure anyways, but it's a very scenic road, no doubt. So this is day 3 morning and Pixie is having a good time on the road and we are on the go. The Samruddhi Mahamarg, spanning 701 kilometers, links Nagpur to Mumbai out of its 600 kilometer expressway from Nagpur to Bharwir in Igatpuri is currently open to traffic, and the remaining 101 kilometers are expected to be opened in the end of 2024. The 6-lane expressway is 120 meter broad and is designed for a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour. The expressway connects the districts of Nagpur, Wardha, Amravati, Washim, Buldhana, Aurangabad, Jalna, Ahmednagar, Nasik and Thane. This route passes through 3 wildlife sanctuaries. To protect wildlife, several overpasses, underpasses and high culverts have been built. The expressway features a 310 meter bridge over River Wardha, 33 major bridges, 274 minor bridges, 65 viaducts or flyovers and 6 tunnels through the Western Ghats. The longest tunnel is being built at Kasara Ghat, Igatpuri. By the way, did you notice the landscape over here? We are actually crossing the Western Ghats. By now, I was sure that it is going to be an immersive experience for me. Before I jump to day 3 and speak a lot about it, let me just share that a day before, when we were traveling from Bargarh to Nagpur, the last few kilometers were slower for sure because there was some construction work going on in the road, and we reached around 5 p.m. In the evening and we checked in the hotel. The description of the hotel, name of the hotel and the tariff, everything is given in the description box, so that in case you're traveling with your pet and you want a hotel, you can really refer to this hotel. The room was okayish and the tariff was also bearable. And here is our sleeping beauty. Pixie! Pixie! Come here! So let's enjoy the Samruddhi Mahamarg together. So this is basically the second journey we are doing in an expressway. हम लोग पहले जा चुके हैं कोलकाता से दिल्ली बाय रोड, तो वहाँ पर हमें एक्सप्रेसवे मिला था और उससे हम लोग कुछ जो सीख हमें मिली है वो ये है कि हमें बार बार रुकना चाहिए और जहाँ पर भी बीच में रुकने का स्टॉप मेंशन है सिर्फ वहीं रुकना चाहिए. सो एवरीथिंग इज़ मेंशन्ड इन द बोर्ड्स एंड दिल्ली जाते हुए तो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी वो एक्सप्रेसवे के रुकने के स्पेसेस आते हैं, लेकिन समृद्धि महामार्ग में रुकने के स्पेसेस थोड़े से कम हैं. तो हम लोगों ने देखा कि कहीं कहीं पर रोड थोड़ा ब्रॉड हो गया था, तो हमने वहाँ पर ब्रेक्स लिए और because it's very necessary for the person who is driving. Like, share and subscribe if you like my content, and comment on your experiences through your road trips. सारे टनल्स आते गए एंड आई थिंक लास्ट एक टनल जो बन रहा है इगतपुरी में वो अभी भी अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है. एनीवेज, आफ्टर वी क्रॉस दिस टनल, कैन यू सी द स्टनिंग व्यू बिकॉज द वेदर चेंज्ड like anything. It started raining and the clouds were all black. It was so windy. We were maintaining the speed limit जो कि cars के लिए 120 speed limit है. So we were maintaining that. A lot of people were not. तो हम लोग slow and steady अपने मंजिल की तरफ चलते रहे. इगतपुरी से थाने तक का जो स्ट्रेच है एक्सप्रेसवे का वो अभी भी अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है. सो हम लोग उतर गए एक्सप्रेसवे से इन इगतपुरी एंड वी कंटिन्यूड आवर जर्नी. आफ्टर वी एग्जिटेड द एक्सप्रेसवे, रोड्स बहुत ख़राब होते गए और किसी किसी पैचेस में, और ट्रैफिक भी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ता रहा वहाँ से ही. सो आई गेस कि एज सून एज दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेच विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग, आई एम श्योर कि हम लोग और जल्दी वहाँ पर पहुँच पाएंगे, क्योंकि हमें मुंबई पहुँचते पहुँचते 8 बज गए. मुंबई में हम लोग मुलुंड जा रहे थे. सो इट वॉज स्टिल नियर बाय. सो जो लोग और दूर जाएंगे मुंबई सेंट्रल वगैरह में, सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर श्योर. बट इवन इफ़ वी वर स्लो, लेकिन ये जर्नी इज़ truly worth it, because you can see the waterfalls. Okay, continuous you'll see a lot of numerous waterfalls. And हम लोग रेनी सीजन में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, तो the whole stretch is extremely green, and the rain just adds up to the flavor. Finally crossing a huge traffic jam due to a crash, we finally reached Mumbai, and here we come, Mumbai.